You may have something in your course that you don't want students to access until a certain condition has been met. For example, maybe they shouldn't complete a quiz until they have received a grade on a different activity, or it may need to be a certain date before they can access a resource. Restrictions can be placed on individual activities and assignments, or entire weeks. To set up access restrictions, start by turning Editing on. Then, find the item you wish to set a restriction for. Select Edit Settings and scroll down to Restrict Access. Next, select Add Restriction. A list of restriction types will appear. You can restrict access by the following criteria: activity completion, if completion tracking is turned on, date, grades on specific assignments, student groupings if they've been created, user details, or a combination of multiple criteria. I want to make it so that Assignment 1 becomes available after students have completed the Chapter 1 lecture activity, so I will choose Activity Completion. Note that this specific method works alongside completion tracking at the course level and will only appear if completion tracking is on. With my completion criteria in place, I can require that Chapter 1 lecture must be complete before this assignment is available. I will select it from the drop-down menu and then set the condition to Must be marked complete. Once you are finished, you can add another restriction or select Save and Return to Course. You will then see a restriction explanation below the item and an option to easily edit those restrictions. From the student's perspective, it explains that the item is not available and links me to what needs to be completed in order to make the assignment available. If I refer to that item, I can see what needs to be done for it to be marked complete. Restricting access can become a little complex with a variety of options, so feel free to reach out to the Office of Online and Distance Learning for additional help.